If you are a Kotak Neo user, here is how you can file your ITR easily without any manual data entry. Firstly, log into Kotak Neo app and click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Next, go to the report section and click on the Tax P&L. On the next screen, click on the File with ClearTax button, review the information being shared with the ClearTax, and tap Confirm and continue to ClearTax. After this, please enter the OTP sent to your registered email ID. In case you want to change the email ID, you can click on this button and change it. After entering the OTP, you will be able to see details about your long-term capital gain, short-term capital gain, speculative income and dividend income. Once you have reviewed the summary, please click on the Proceed to e-file button. Now, you need to enter your PAN number to pre-fill all your details. Pre-fill is a process by which ClearTax automatically fills in 95% of your details available with the Income Tax Department. By the way, if you are a salaried employee, you can also upload Form 16 to fetch your entire salary details. If you are a salaried and switch jobs, you can upload multiple Form 16 as well. After uploading the Form 16, click on Continue and go to the Income Sources where you can see details like your salary already autofilled. If you want to add any other details manually, you can do that as well. If you have an interest income that you may have earned in your savings bank account or from your fixed deposit or any other sources like PPF, then you'll be able to see it already autofilled. And yes, you can manually edit or add anything which is missing. In case you want to import capital gains data from any other stock market broker, all you got to do is go to Gains from Stock Market Mutual Fund F&O section and click on Add Details. After which, you need to go to Stocks and Mutual Fund section where you will be able to see a list of all the major stock market brokers. You can simply click on the broker icon and easily import your capital gains data. Now, it's time to claim all the deductions. If you have declared your investment to your employer, then most of your data would be already pre-filled here. You can review these details and add other deduction details that may be missing. After this, click on Go to Next where you will see a tax summary. Here, you can see details about your income, deduction, investment and ITR form. If you have missed claiming any deductions, our smart tax saving nudges will suggest you how you can save more. Plus, the best regime box helps you choose between old and new regime for maximum tax savings. Once you're done reviewing all your details, you can click on the File Tax button. Post e-filing, you can navigate further to e-verification and complete the verification process. So, that's how easy it is to file ITR for Kotak Neo users. In case you face any issues, you can contact the ClearTax support team by clicking on the live support icon at the top right corner.